Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, we are going to do the quickest sew-in ever, a Upart wig. Sometimes you can have clips in them, but a lot of times I sew them on. Now I did not get any footage making this wig, and here I'm just straightening it, and then I'm going to do a blunt cut and then bump the ends. So yeah, ignore me. I was listening to Big Sean's Friday Night Cypher, and I just love that song. So one, ignore what's happening in the background. This was the end of my work day, and I did all of my family here after working. So my aunt was the last one, and her daughter is helping me clean. And if you have not checked the video of her daughter, as you can see with the wrap strip still in her head, she got the 2 feed-in braids on natural hair, so make sure you check out that video. Now, if you're going to sew on a Upart wig or any wig, the perimeter braid needs to be the most solid. Now again, because this was the end of the day, I did a lazy braid pattern, but you have to make sure the perimeter braid is solid. Now, if you choose to do a lazy braid pattern, I have a similar braid pattern in my head right now for my wigs because I don't like to braid my hair. If you choose to do a lazy braid pattern, the braid needs to be an invisible braid, or really it's called a French braid, because it will not create that hump like a cornrow braid will. Now really you cannot go wrong with the fit of a Upart wig. But what I do is I know the perimeter of her head, so I just measure out the perimeter of her head minus 2 inches for the leave out, 2 inches of width for the leave out. Also, you do have to know the length from the front of the head, the hairline, to the back of the head, so that it's not too long. And for this particular wig, because it was the end of my day, I only sewed the top and the back. I did not do the sides, but you can do the sides. You do want to do the entire perimeter. I sewed the back too to take the weight off the top of the braids, because if you just leave the top sewn on, the weight of the entire wig will be on those braids. And then you just want to go ahead and blend the weave out. Like literally it's going to be just like a sew-in, but it only takes 5 minutes. And of course I love this option because you can take the wig off as many times as needed and shampoo and condition your hair and reapply the wig. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with everyone. And TTYO.